Get in there. Oh, that's so bad. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. We're taking these three beauties on our first supercar cruise, and guess who just pulled in?
Matt August.
In his brand new Ferrari F12. Holy shnikes. This thing is ridiculous. Just had the one-up me, didn't he? He's got the full red interior. Why you gotta one-up me? Look at this thing. Holy crap.
Did you shower in the fountain?
Yeah, Dave just showered. No, what? Are you going back in?
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Congratulations on your F12 purchase. Here's the funnest part. Come here. When I got my F12, what did you say? I don't like F12s. Then we got the F12, and then we did donuts in his lot, and then he drove it, and he was like, next thing you know, he's like, hey guys, I bought an F12. I was like, I thought you didn't like them. And then I was like, don't buy a nicer one than mine. And he one-ups me. You son of a bitch. Holy crap. You know how much interior. You know how much this interior would be to spec from Ferrari?
Beautiful.
When people call a car with red interior red guts, this is where it comes from. It's not from having like a little bit of red. It's from having the entire interior done in like a red. You got the carbon steering wheel. Yeah. Wow, this thing is sick. This is all red. It goes all the way back into the very back.
Everything.
Yeah, everything.
It makes the carbon pop though.
Yeah, and you got the like the black in between here. This like the Daytona style. Yeah, the carbon's amazing. We're going for a cruise today.
We are. We're going on a supercar.
It's a Chevy supercar. It's a Chevy supercar. Damn it. What do you think of the new
I think it looks awesome. I love that color.
Gray orange.
I love that color.
All right, you guys ready to go for a rip? And we're off. The sounds, the supercar sounds. We got the twin turb skis here in front of me. We got Dave's supercharged Quadra Corsa, and then we have, it's okay girl, it's okay. We'll get her something. We'll make her sound amazing, and we'll give her a little oomph. Look at this view, you guys. This is what Kelowna is all about, the lake life. Wow, gorgeous. Hit it. You want to go? Damn, I got nothing. Got nothing. That car stock has 740-ish horsepower and he's gonna blow his clutch out on this drive today. Mark my words. This car will probably end up stranded. It's on the very last little bit of the clutch. And we've arrived. We got the crew. Oh, we have not been on an official like multi-supercar crew for the last 3 months while all the quarantine and self-isolation and self-distancing's been going on. Today is gonna be a good day.
All the like American muscle goes in the next parking lot over.
Who invited him? Who invited Boring?
You are Mr. Boring.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
What a beautiful day.
Yeah, I know.
It's pretty cool. It's a hybrid.
Listen.
It's only got like what, 4
Just because
cylinders?
you're a sommelier doesn't make you immune to getting your kicked. Okay, I think the right thing to do though today is to show Ryan up a little bit because he brought the Diablo Roadster. So he's going topless. Brent Marshall brought his Diablo Roadster. All these cars have their top off. Top off, top off, top off, top off. You know what we're gonna do? Let's remove this bad boy. If people like this car, which I love it, I kid you not, best bang for the buck. You guys, we have a sponsored video today by Omaze. Omaze is gonna give you a chance to win a 2020 C8 Corvette. Just like this.
All right, guys, I'm super excited to announce that Omaze is going to give you a chance to win a 2020 Corvette C8 Stingray Z51 plus $20,000 in cash. Even better, shipping and taxes are included. And the best part is every donation goes to a great cause. All you have to do is go to amaze.com/Corvette and enter for your chance to win. And if you're like me and looking for a way to help others right now during this time, this is a great option. When you donate, you can help raise funds for the work of the Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center. They're an amazing cause committed to providing relief during this pandemic by facilitating care and assistance to those directly affected by this disease. They can use our help now more than ever.
Let me check out this boring Diablo. You savage.
That's his new wrap.
This is one of Ryan's Lamborghinis. one of. I'm not even kidding. This guy has like more Lambos than he knows what to do with. The Diablo is a special car. Roadster, gated of course. Look at that. What a sick car. And in this color, beautiful. Hey, where are you going? Okay, I think we gotta go. I'm getting left behind.
Oh, we're back, baby.
We're back. We got a supercar car jam at the gas station.
Yes.
Look at that. Huh? That red is on fire. You ready? Excited?
Oh yeah.
Is this your first time ever really in like a large supercar pack?
Yeah, it is.
Holy shnikey. That was a lot of unburned fuel. That's what you get with an old supercar. Yes, look at this, you guys. We're back, baby. Woo! First supercar cruise in 3 months. I am so excited. It's like it's my first supercar cruise. Listen to this sound. Yeah. Woo! Hell yeah! Look at this view. Kelowna is a beautiful place with this lake. Yes. Doesn't get any better than this. Look at this. That was amazing. All those twists and turns, tight corners, and you don't even have to be going like stupid fast. You'd be doing like the speed limit. We definitely need to make the Corvette sound a little louder. It's too quiet because I can hear all these cars, but I can't hear my own car. And that's a problem at DD.
Well, how was that?
That's amazing.
How's the McLaren handle?
Excellent.
Excellent. Like a pancake on a griddle.
You Lambo owners just can't shake and bake this car, can you? I was right on these guys. They were just like, damn, get that 80 grand off me. Cheap, cheap. I've never driven anything that epic.
Oh, it's unreal. Wraps around. This keeps going. And then we come back another way. It's, yeah, you can't beat this, right?
Yeah, supercharged. Look at that. Carrera 4S.
That's a big car.
100 more horsepower in this little car.
Yeah.
That's no joke. The Mac Daddy. What did you think of the drive?
It was awesome.
What did you think of the drive?
Are you the last car here? Oh my god. Are you the last car here?
Corvette owner.
Lamborghini owners, they definitely hold up to the not so humble title. Hey Ryan, how many of these do you have again?
Hey, I'm just at the gym. I'll see you there, buddy.
Jesus. Holy.
Elbow towing. Any of your Corvette services needed, I'll help you out.
God.
Wow, he doesn't stop, does he?
No, he doesn't. Back on the road, you guys. I'm chasing ketchup and mustard colored Lambos here. Look at it. We got Brent's red Diablo and the yellow Performante. Don't worry, baby. I don't care what they say about you. You're a supercar in my eyes. I mean, no joke. This car handles so well.
Alright guys, we all love the supercharger whine. We haven't heard that much. So I present to you the noise that is VF Engineering supercharger on a V10 5.2 liter Lamborghini engine.
Thoughts on the McLaren?
I love this thing.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
It's a whole different beast.
I love the V8 twin turbo. That's what it is.
Is it fast?
And oh yeah, it's really fast.
Guys, we made it to the lunch stop. Now, you're gonna wanna enter for your chance to win a 2020 C8 Corvette just like this, and I'll tell you why. This is the best bang for the buck supercar on the market right now. With the red, the topless, all the supercar feels.
Honestly, my back, I need to sit in your car for a little while. My back's just straight from the squad.
Yeah, the seats in his car are brutal. This car, the seats are luxurious yet sporty. and you can see that gorgeous V8 engine in the back. I'm telling you, right now, go to the links in the description, enter for your chance to win a C8 Corvette.
Right now, you guys, it's really easy. Omaze.com/Corvette. Simple as that.
Done and done. Now let's go get some food.
You bottle your own pee?
What is that?
Like that, eh? That's a part of
urine jar. We're doing urine sample. What's in that beer?
Only in Canada. Yeah, they get a
That's
jug of
crazy.
beer with your hot dog.
Oh, see, I'm on track with him. You and your one weenie thing. I'm a two weenie guy.
I bet you are.
That sounds bad. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
You were in prison?
Why do you eat hot dogs like that, Dave? Oh! If I bought a truck, I would buy one of these. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, you guys. Come on. Look how good this looks amongst cars worth triple the amount and up. Best bang for the buck, best bang for the buck. I'm not trying to brag. The truth is, it's insane. Like, mind-blowing. The big manufacturers, all these guys, they're in trouble. Lambo, McLaren, these guys are in trouble, man. That Corvette, I tell you. That Corvette. Ryan, the guy with all these Lambos, has a brewery. I mean, at his age, this is just like a glorified lemonade stand, isn't it?
high-end lemonade.
Burnt too. Bro, I'm burnt too. You know what the problem was? Is we've been home for 3 months. The base tan from LA is gone.
Here's the good news, though, on a car-related note. Thanks to Mike, the G-Wagon's good to go. And the wheel that you curbed, Damon, he got fixed.
I didn't curb a wheel.
Curbed my wheel.
You said you curbed it when you went to Starbucks.
I did.
I have a G-Wagon.
You've gone there a couple of times.
I have a G-Wagon. If you want proof that Brent's the coolest guy in the world, I'll show you right here. Diablo with 3 flats of beer in the passenger seat. And there's Damon's bitch, the 6-pack.
Got fresh on the scene. Got fresh on the scene. Got fresh on the scene.
What an epic day. That drive was insane. And guess what this does? It does something that no other supercar does. That just start. That's right. It's called the ghost start.
Okay, I'm listening. Comprehensive review of the C8. The brakes are phenomenal. Like, the brakes wrap so good. Chris, the brakes are so good, right? This car, honestly, is... Whoever wins this car is really going to enjoy it. The handle's amazing. It brakes amazing. It actually, I hate to say this, it's actually a supercar. The GTR still isn't. I'm not going to define the reasons why, Chris. It's just because you own one.
Dave, what would you change about this car except for the owner?
Yeah, the owner needs personality adjustment, seriously. Dave was one of those guys that doesn't have a lot of friends, but a load of acquaintances.
Unfortunately, like all rallies, this one has come to an end. Thanks to August Luxury Motor Cars for putting that together. But more importantly, we're gonna park the cars for once and go and see if Dave's beater G63's fixed. I drove it last time. You don't drive it like a man. I don't want to curb the wheels. The wheels are all fixed. Maybe that's why the fuel pump went on it. I gave it too much juice when I was driving it in an IMO.
Stop doing this for a second. Come here.
What do you mean stop doing this?
Stop doing this. Look at this.
What?
August Motor Cars fixed the wheel. No more curb. They had it fixed and repainted. Do you want to know what was broken?
No.
They don't know yet. Fuel pump not operating correctly. And by not correctly means the truck was shut down in the middle of a drive, which is probably not good.
It was really bad. I wonder why it broke. Just fires it up. A couple of revs, cold start, not even warm. No lubricants in the motor.
It's like 120 degrees outside right now.
No lubricants in the motor. And you're revving it.
I didn't even rev it.
How many enemies do you want to make on the channel?
Just the ones that count. You know who you are. Yeah, you do. Dude, this is the world's fastest car tourer in a car lot. Okay, we have over here, we have an R8, we have a Range Rover, G-Wagons, we have a
Porsche,
Raptor, BMW, we have Porsches, okay, BMW, okay, into the left, go!
dumpster.
Tires. Big truck. Don't know the name of it. Got no front end. Cars. Come on. We're back.
What do you guys want?
Whoa.
We're off-roading. We're off-roading. What's this thing? I don't know what this thing is. I don't know what this thing is.
Dude, you could launch off of this. Is this rated for your?
I don't know. What is it? I don't know what it is.
Great. I don't even know. You get your truck and then first thing you do is drive it through one pothole.
50,000 pounds max. Jesus.
I want. You know what I want back? I want our Hummer back, guys. Comment below if you want the Hummer back.
Comment below if you like the G-Wagon better than the Hummer.
Send it. You shouldn't have that truck at all. Oh, the DD shenanigans, they continue.
Dude, get the thumbnail.
I think if you honestly went fast enough, you could clear this and land on the tires.
Try it.
50 miles an hour and you'd honestly land flat and like maybe one bounce and you'd be good. Suspension in these things is so strong.
Hey guys, we're jumping.
Enter your chance to win a 2020 C8 Corvette and $20,000 cash with free shipping.
Here's the deal, guys. It's really simple. Go to maze.com/Corvette for your chance to win a 2020 C8 Stingray ZR1. $20,000 cash in your pocket. Free shipping and taxes. It's all included, you guys. It's super easy. And it's for a really good cause. Donate today.
All right, well that's it. 3 supercars sitting at August Luxury.
Fucking stink.
What? Oh yeah, I farted in the truck.
Doesn't even react.